Wayshowers, open your eyes to the light and turn and see the ones who have followed your lead, and give them inspiration to continue to follow their own inner calling to the realm of the Golden Age. You are sharing energy between your balanced heart and giving higher love to your spirit so that it may shine to the soul of the family of light. The ascension allows higher consciousness to be resident within your multidimensional being. Ascension is our evolution and the process of humanity. The ignition into the process allows the fire, the Holy Spirit, Kundalini, Prana, Shakti, Chi, Ki, vibration, cosmic energy, to move through the chakras and spin these energy vortexes of the body into higher frequencies. With the ascension, you begin to realize that you are a column of light, and within this column you are spinning spherical chakra centers which express creation and expand your aura. They are that which combine you into physical form and allow for the different vibrations of creation to manifest within all dimensions. In the third dimension, you are aware of the expression through the physical form, emotional desire and thought forms in the fourth dimension, and enlightenment and oneness in the fifth dimension. When the spark of life spins the wheels and turns within the root chakra of the Muladhara, the form of being is grounded with the earth. The grounding allows the meridians and the nadis to connect the channels within the spirit or life force. The central columns of the Sushumna open the flow of divine cosmic energy as the feminine Ida and the masculine Pingali spiral around the pulsating column of the central strand, the river of being. In the sacred dance of creation, life is born through the marriage of the twin flame within each awakened spirit. Cross the threshold and be born into the family of light and grow with the soul of humanity. Through the spectrum of the lens of spirit, the 7 rays of color descend in the vibration patterns, allowing the column of light to manifest your multidimensional being. As the light descends into color and density, it becomes the shadow of its greater light on the other side of the lens. As it becomes a mirror by the covering of the smoke, an illusion of physical manifestation, the descending life force falls into forgetfulness of higher consciousness. You were given a gift of silence from the multidimensional stream of the great river to focus on the desires of your body and the manifestations of your logical mind. As you followed the expression of your timeline through the management of the physical world, it was always known through prophecy and truth that you would again awaken to the great stream of being. With a renewal of cosmic energy in accord with the celestial energies of transformation, the promise of your role in the illumination of the Golden Age has been appreciated. As the male has descended deepest into the third dimension and logical, analytical, restricted thinking, it is time now that higher intelligences remove the barriers and blinds upon this limited sight. As the divine feminine has quieted her voice and listened to the experience of the divine Son through this journey, now with combined personal effort and walking in the light, there is the fulfillment of the dream of superconsciousness and divine remembrance. Your lives are moving in accord with the divine plan. There is a greater vision of unity which is bringing all of you who are harmonized into alignment. The alignment requires the focus of the thousands who are the Wayshowers and the millions who are the spirits on the threshold. With the million, you bring forth the energy of the billions who have come to enjoy the ascension of the goddess Earth.